Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating Blaze Pizza.
Down, but first time trying it, but
first time trying it. We're doing a car bang, 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 bang.
car bang.
You guys like my new haircut?
Like a first lady haircut, first lady.
Yes, I'm feeling myself.
Oh no,
I'm feeling myself.
I'm still upset. Look at my pizza. You know, they only had one topping. Look good.
That looks good.
One topping. I'm so tight right now.
Well, only chicken. The chicken had only chicken. This is mine.
Pork
full
head.
of pork. Pork.
4 rolls of pork.
But honey, why are we eating Blaze Pizza today?
It's been a long time we ain't telling because it's
Fast Food Friday.
You know what? FFF in the building. You know what we got going on today with the pizza. No?
Yep. We was gonna go live, but our service over here is not that good.
Garbage.
That is good.
How much I be mods?
If you guys have had Blaze Pizza before, let us know. Wow! What the hell? What are you doing, Sugarfoot? I'm with this guys. Let me check it all of the shine, my. You know, so I'm handsome, but we want some shine too.
Shine, man. Let me eat my food, Mario. Good.
It's good. Guys, you want a close up of it? Yes.
They make it fast. What's up, y'all?
So on my pizza,
What you got?
I have pepperoni, salami, ham, bacon, jalapeno, and olives.
I got chicken, tomato, green pepper, jalapeno, cheese, barbecue dressing sauce.
But yours are good, honey.
One
Napkin?
Yep.
Oh, Richie's upset because they only had chicken
One meat.
for him.
Where you looking at?
Right here.
So that's not fair. First time trying it though, everybody. It's good.
Oh, it's good.
It's good.
Even though I'm going down a bit more. Let me tell you guys something. Even though their pizza, the crust is thin, and I love thin crust, it still has a nice chew to it. But I think that's because you told them not to make it so well done.
But it's still good.
I know. No, that's what I like about it.
Oh, I ain't gonna straw. That's my strong thing. Thank you. Family. Yep. I had to hook first lady up with a hairstyle. You know, the first lady used to that. You know? So I had to get first lady a nice hairstyle. You know, nice to the fresh cut. You know what I'm saying?
So guys, listen. Richie actually picked out this hairstyle for me. So it has a cut in the side.
Got little curls on top.
Curls on top, and it's much lower than it was. And I think he did an excellent job. It fits my face. So I feel more sexy. The other one was okay, but I like this one better.
These are good though. Damn, that pork one look good, yo.
Not getting on it.
Family, I ain't gonna lie, that pork one look good. Oh, with my ranch.
He put it on it.
Oh, you put it on it? Oh.
Yeah.
It looks good though, family.
He put it on it.
Yeah, take it to mine. If y'all could see it, I hope so. I don't know if y'all could see, but.
He didn't put my ranch on mine because I wanted to be able to like control how much ranch goes on it. But he did pretty good though.
It's good.
This is exactly like Mod's Pizza.
If you ever try Mod, it's what it is. Same thing. Same thing.
Look at the cat, my dude.
You can't them, you.
You don't want that.
Your name again? Alfa Romeo.
So what you guys got planned for the weekend?
It's been a long time we didn't do a fast food Friday, man.
I know, we had to do it.
Yeah. First day, he's still doing the water thing. She still is. Well,
On Monday, if you want to join, let me know.
Yep. My face looking rough, right? My barber man in here.
You still look good.
Rough, my.
Yeah, leave it up there.
Wow.
This is so good.
It is good. I know yours is even better because you got all that topping on it.
All that pork.
Oh, there goes swing door. There goes swing door, family. It's crazy. Watch it. Pay attention.
I think this weekend, hopefully, I want to put the Christmas tree down and put the Christmas stuff away. You guys know what I did last time? What I did? What? When was it? Last weekend? Or 2 weeks ago? Right after Christmas, I went to Home Goods, my sister and I. Oh my gosh, we got so much decoration for next year. I'm so excited.
What they did after Christmas? You went to try to get some seals?
I usually go to Walmart. Well, Rich and I usually go to Walmart. This is the first year we haven't gone together. But Walmart is played out now. So Home Goods, that's where you have to go. They have the good stuff, the good stuff.
A good thing then.
I'm glad you said not to make the crust so crispy. Yeah.
It's good. It's a good taste. Yeah, it's a good taste. It's good, family. I wish I had more meat though.
We could have asked for extra chicken.
I forgot.
I'm surprised they didn't have at least ground beef. Yeah, they look like they were kind of slow in there. No offense.
I didn't have ground beef for real. Like some of them ain't even know the toppings them.
Exactly. That's what I mean. You know, like they know what's going on.
Yeah, for real. Wow. If you ever try, go try it. It's good.
No cap. I don't think we need any more pizza place in the Pizzle.
Yeah.
There's too much pizza place here now. Mark's Pizza, Blaze Pizza, Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Maria's Pizza, Morano's Pizza. Oh gosh, all kind of pizzas. Everywhere you go, Susie's Pizza, Annie's Pizza. Everywhere you go, there's on every corner there's a pizza shop. No more pizza shop in the Pizzle. No more.
No more pizza shop, man. It's good.
What's your corn, honey?
Okay. 6 minutes.
Because I know I don't have my glasses on.
Saying 6 minutes.
Oh, plus the other minute.
Yeah. They made crust right. I ain't gonna lie.
Perfect.
Damn,
nope.
Family. She got me today. I can't eat on her food today.
Wait a minute. Richie keep on looking at my pizza to see if he can move over some of the pork, but he can't because it's covered in pork.
Family, it's covered in pork. Damn. They gotta step over some more. non-pork eaters meat. They have to. But this is good though. Really good.
And one thing about like Blaze Pizza and Mod's Pizza is you get unlimited toppings. So a lot of people, they don't want to go to a regular traditional pizza shop.
Yeah.
Because they get one topping for free and then you have to pay for another topping. You're paying $20 for a pie, or let's say you're paying $15 for a pie and you're only getting one topping. You're paying $10 for a pie and you could get 30 toppings. You know? So.
Family. And you know I don't eat pizza crust like that. I told you.
That was good.
I'm hungry too. I'm still hungry now. I can't even help you.
Good.
Wherever you going next, I'm buying me a burger.
This is amazing, guys.
Go try it. I know you already tried. Like some of y'all got all them restaurants.
They have cauliflower crust. They have vegan crust. So that's really good.
Wow.
Well,
I can't help you today, Tom.
good.
Damn, I feel some type of way right now, yo.
Not me. I can
Cause
have
you
some
know,
lunch.
I'm not full, B.
Are you a problem with that?
Oh man, family, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta eat some more first lady food, man. Other than that, how was your week? Would you ask you that already? Yes, you same one, yes. Yep, the same one with the phone in their hand. Yes, you. How was it? You know what I'm saying? Damn, family, I'm not family. I wouldn't even lie to you. I'm still hungry. And we got, what you call it, Culver's right next to us. I'm about to go buy me a sandwich.
Guys, look at Richie. He went to Culver's and got a whole meal after he just had a whole pie by himself.
Please do not embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Family, I told you I'm hungry,
Let
family.
me see the food, Tom.
Do not embarrass
Look at
me,
that.
please.
A chicken sandwich with fries.
Don't embarrass me, please.
A whole meal.
And my drink. You sure that my drink too?
Yo, and his drink is right here. Oh my gosh.
Spicy chicken sandwich. Time I get one?
Yep. You ask for what kind of something that making people them think you gotta ask me permission.
Family, I gotta ask permission, the boss permission, no?
Stop lying. Well, I'm done.
You finished already?
Yep.
Family, I'm gonna tear that pizza, yeah. Nah.
You know my pizza.
Nah. Well, family, you done first date for real? Wow, this is a short video. We're gonna go live, but the service over here is bad.
No service.
You know what I'm saying?
So
But you never know. We might do a live one of these days. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And yes, if you want to know how First Lady looked before this, if you're new, go watch the old videos. Okay? So now, real talk, we appreciate y'all. For all the family members and all the viewers, we appreciate y'all too. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.